Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Abdul Alif Ismail bin Abdul Rahman. I, together with Ritish, Adham, Shira and Najwa, have worked together to make this poster. This poster is about the rotary wash drilling machine. So for the first thing is about the theory. Rotary drilling is used to form a borehole or for obtaining sample of rock and soil. The terms rotary wash drilling machine and borehole drilling machine are related but not exactly the same. A borehole drilling machine is a broad term used for equipment designed to create holes or bores in the ground. On the other hand, a rotary wash drilling machine is a specific type of borehole drilling machine that utilizes a rotary drilling method combined with the use of water or other fluids to aid in the drilling process. Next is about the application of the rotary drilling. The first application is for geotechnical investigations. They can be used to collect soil and rock sample for testing purpose in construction project, environmental assessment or geological surveys. The second application is in the construction of foundation drilling. This is especially for buildings and infrastructure because the usage of rotary wash drilling results in a very good and stable foundation. For methodology, the drilling method involves a powered rotary mechanism that will be driven into the ground as it rotates. The system will require lubrication where we need to inject water or fluid to keep the cutting head cool. After the drilling reach the desired depth, we will stop the drilling process and look at the collected sample to understand what is underground. And lastly, just clean up the drilling area and pack the equipment. For the calculation, so this is the formula that we have that involved with the rotary wash drilling machine, and we will go through the calculation one by one. So for the first part of calculation, it is about the rotational speed of the drilling bit, which is a very crucial parameter. The formula to calculate rotational speed or RPM is surface speed divided with pi multiplied to bit diameter. Surface speed is usually in feet per minute, but the bit diameter is in inches. So we need to convert feet to inches, and that's why here we will times it with 12 because 1 foot of feet is equal to 12 inches. Then the RPM value that we will get is 57.32. For the second calculation, it is about the drilling rate. It is often referred to as the rate of penetration, ROP. The formula of drilling rate is volume of rock removed divided with the time taken. For example, here, if the volume of rock removed is 500 cubic meter and time taken is 8 hours, when it is divided, then the answer that we will get is 62.5 cubic meter per hour. Next is about the calculation of torque. The formula is power divided with RPM, which is rotational speed. Then HHP here means hydraulic horsepower, and we will times it with 745.7, which is the conversion factor to convert horsepower to Newton meter. And then the answer that we will get is 124.283 Newton meter. For the power calculation, the formula is torque multiplied with RPM divided with 5252. But this is only when the torque is in the foot-pound units. But the example here is when torque is in Newton meter. So it will be divided with 9.5488. 9.5488 here is the conversion factor to convert RPM to radians per second, and its value is fixed. So for the last part of the calculation is about weight on bit, or the other name is force per drill bit, and the formula is total applied force divided with the number of drill bits. So here the total applied force is 22,680 Newton, and the number of drill bit is 8. So when divided, we will get 2,835 Newton per drill bit. So that's all for the example of calculation. So now we will move to the last part of the poster, which is the conclusion. So the conclusion is the cost and time effectiveness in penetrating rock and soil, along with its adaptability to different geological conditions, make the rotary wash drilling machine is a very useful tool. So the proper consideration and management of environmental issues, such as the uh, disposal of drilling fluids, is vital, which means that it is very important. So lastly, with the depth capabilities of rotary wash drilling machine, which enable drilling for both shallow and deep foundation, have also made significant contributions to the geotechnics. So that's all for this poster. Thank you.